i35equipment.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to utilize the parking brake pin on a DitchWitch C24X hydraulic trencher. This is not the only machine that utilizes this kind of parking brake, but hope it does help you and gives you an idea of how to utilize it if you weren't sure. So there are currently 3 different pin positions to put the parking brake pin, and one of these 3 should always fit, as the sprocket is just going to bump against the pin, and this one of these 3 should be open from a sprocket coming by. So to get it out from the parking brake off position, which is where it's currently sitting, you're just going to spin it until you find the little moon eye here, this little spot right here, and that's going to allow you to pull it out from behind this bolt head. So pull that out. You're going to pick one of these where you see that one right there has a sprocket head in it, so it's not going to go there. So it's either going to be this one or this one, but usually this one's the one that we find that works. And then you put it in and you twist it so it can't come back out, and you're ready to go. That is a manual parking brake pin. Do hope that's beneficial to you. Now, to get it back out, I'm just going to twist it again, get that little divot to the right position, pull it out, and put it back over here, and that gets it away from the sprocket, nice and safe, to where you can utilize your machine. Do hope that video is beneficial to you. It's pretty basic, but once you know what it is, you know what it is. You can always see our full and up-to-date inventory of trenchers and other heavy equipment on our website at www.i35equipment.com. We do specialize in consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call or fill out the form on our website to learn more about our consignment sales service. Do appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope the video is beneficial to you. Look forward to hearing from you soon.